Hi my friends, this is Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm here today with an unboxing from a diamond painting that I got at Hobby Lobby yesterday. They have their diamond painting kits off for 40%. So this diamond painting was originally, I thought it had the prices on it somewhere. Oh, it's $29.99, but I paid $17.99 for it. And I thought that was just a cute, pretty little garden picture. I don't have any plans to finish this for Diamond Grandmas from my garden. I don't think I can do it because if I can get into this little sticker. This is kind of a large one for me. I could have, 2 years ago, I could have finished this in a week. But not the way I'm stitching now. Not the way I'm stitching now. I said that correctly. It's easier on my back to stitch, and so that's what I tend to go to when I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do now that I have a few minutes. So, this is the diamond painting kit. These are the drills. Oh, that's nice how they pack it all together, all the extra items. I may not be able to finish it. Maybe I can start it. I'm just about finished with another project for Shirley's Real Life. She's doing I Believe I Can Fly with butterflies this month. I'm almost finished with that project. And this one is, they have a white pen. They have a container for the pink wax. I have a yellow scrunchie and a gray tray and a few baggies. Not enough for this kit, but enough to help out. So that's the diamond, that's the tool kit. Here are the diamonds. Are you surprised at the purple? Well, yeah. I think this is such a pretty picture. It's a little garden wheelbarrow with purple falling out all over. Leisure Arts makes this kit, and they don't do DMC numbers, I don't believe. And then some yellows. And some more colors, more of these colors. And there's some dark greens and browns. Those are just pretty, pretty colors for this canvas. And the canvas is in another plastic bag also. And here we go. Oh, this is tight. It is rolled up tight. Golly, it doesn't want to come. Wow. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've ever had one this tight. Here's the instructions here, telling you all about diamond painting. It's different languages, but there are 11 steps. Oh, and this is a square. Leisure Arts, I think, is by Diamond Dots as well. It's called Lavender Fields. It's a 16 inches by 16 inches, which is a 40 by 40, basically. I like how they have printed around the edge. This is a partial, but most of it diamond painting from the wheelbarrow and about from here like this down is diamond painted, and the background, the sky background, the lilacs, that's all printed. So you don't diamond paint that. So this is a partial diamond painting. See if I can make this lay down flat. I really like Diamond Dots diamond painting. They are quality. The only problem I've had with them, and I haven't lately, is their drills are very staticky. The last one I did wasn't that bad, but there are, I would have to count how many colors. There's 30 colors, and they have their own numbers on them. The symbols they're weird. Some of them are weird symbols. There's a few alphabets in there. But the drill field is nice and clear, as diamond dots usually are. And I think that's going to be a pretty, pretty picture. And I love it. It's gotten to where they have them on sale so often, there's no reason to buy diamond dots full price. You just wait till they have a sale, and if you're quick to get there, you can choose the ones you want. So, that's it for my diamond dots. I did get a few other stitchy things while I was at Hobby Lobby. I got some needles. I did get a magnetic board, and I don't know what I did with it. I kind of wanted to show that, guys, to you. It's a piece of metal, and it has some magnetic rulers. So, for cross-stitching, you can put your pattern on it and use the rulers to help measure, but you can also use them to keep your place on your cross-stitch pattern. So, anyway, that was about $5. So, I got a nice diamond painting for $17.99. And, I think that's what I said it was. Yes. So, you guys take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.